Ants might seem tiny and easy to miss, but they're actually huge helpers in your garden without you even realizing it. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. And here are 7 surprising benefits of having ants in your home garden. Number 1. Soil aeration and drainage. Ants dig tunnels underground that basically act like natural air conditioners and water drains for your soil. This means your plants get better oxygen and water access, helping roots grow stronger and healthier. Number 2. Pest control. Ants hunt down pesky bugs like caterpillars and grubs that love to munch on your plants. Even when they protect aphids for honeydew, they still keep other harmful pests in check, so you don't have to spray nasty chemicals all over your garden. Number 3. Seed dispersal. Some ants carry seeds away from the parent plant to spots with better soil, helping new plants grow and your garden stay diverse and lively. It's like they're little gardeners themselves planting for you. Number 4. Decomposition and nutrient recycling. Ants munch on dead bugs and organic stuff, breaking it down and mixing it into the soil. This enriches the dirt with nutrients your plants crave, boosting growth naturally. Number 5. Biodiversity and ecosystem support. Ants attract birds, frogs, and other helpful critters that depend on them for food, creating a balanced and thriving garden environment. A diverse garden means healthier plants and less trouble overall. Number 6. Symbiotic relationships. Some plants actually produce nectar to attract ants, and in return, ants protect those plants from being eaten by other bugs. This teamwork helps your garden flourish with less effort on your part. Number 7. Natural fertilization. As ants move around, they spread nutrients through their tunnels, acting like tiny fertilizer distributors. This reduces your need for chemical fertilizers and keeps your garden's soil rich and healthy. If you want to take your garden to the next level with help from pros who understand these natural benefits, visit bighomeprojects.com. We connect you with trusted contractors who can make your outdoor space thrive just like your hard-working ants.